What's the meaning of bargaining counter? Bargaining counter. Bargaining counter.
Bargaining counter. Bargaining counter. The term bargaining counter refers to an item or factor that can be used as leverage during negotiations to achieve a desired outcome. In a bargaining situation, each party will seek to maximize their own interests, and identifying and utilizing bargaining counters is one strategy for doing so. Bargaining counters can take many forms, such as financial resources, expertise, information, or even personal connections. For example, in a salary negotiation, a job candidate's previous experience or a company's need to fill the position quickly could be used as bargaining counters to negotiate a higher salary. Overall, the effective use of bargaining counters requires careful consideration of the other party's interests and the dynamics of the negotiation.